What's up, kids? It's Technical. I'm back again with another video, and today I want to say thank you to Whitestone for sending me out some of their products for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. They sent me out their film screen protector, which I have that on my device already. So now we're going to look at their scope case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is what the box looks like. This is what it looks like on the back. And I think this is pretty cool that Whitestone Dome is actually making cases, not only screen protectors, but they're also making cases. It has a clear back with a rubberized bumper around it. So now we're going to pick up my S22 Ultra, place it in like so. And that is what the scope case looks like on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra from Whitestone Dome. And I also am rocking their screen protector for the back of the camera. So that is good and protected. I have nothing to worry about. The back of this case has little feet on the edges for edge drop protection. Place your phone down on the table. On the back, you are good to go. Yes, this does not have, you don't get a lot of lip, but if you have a screen protector on there, and maybe even if you had their dome glass, you'd be good to go. They did send me over their dome glass screen protector, but I don't have the best of luck installing those. No matter how much I read the steps and look at videos, they just don't work well for me. But I do want to still say thank you for sending me the dome glass over. But I do like your film screen protectors a lot better. They're just more easier for me to install on my devices. But pretty much this is what this would look like if you had the scope case on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and if you also had their film screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm sure it'll look even better if you had the dome glass connected with this. But let's get a look around the case. Power button, nice and clicky. Volume up and down button, nice and clicky. At the bottom here, you get all access to your ports, USB-C charging port, your speaker, and your S Pen. And on this side, you get nothing, but I believe that is their logo right there. It says Whitestone Dome. At the top, you get nothing but the mic. You get some more feet up here for edge protection if your phone decides to fall on the side like this. And if you place your phone flat down on the face of the table, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. As long as you have a screen protector on your device, you should be good to go. And now we're going to see if it has wireless charging, which I'm pretty much sure it does. And yes, it does have wireless charging. So this was the scope case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.